Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my channel Learning with Zargul. In this video, I tell you about snakes. Snakes are carnivores, meat eaters. Snakes don't have eyelids. Snake can't bite food, so have to swallow it whole. Snakes eat prey bigger than their head. Snakes have internal ears but not external ones. Snakes shed their skin a number of times a year. Some species of snakes, such as cobras and black mambas, use venom to hunt and kill their prey. Snakes smell with their tongue. Pythons kill their prey by tightly wrapping around it and suffocating it. Anacondas are large, non-venomous snakes found in South America that can reach over 16 feet in length. Python can grow over 28 feet in length. Statistics about snake. There are more than 2500 kinds of snake in the world. They live almost everywhere except in very cold places. Snakes are long legless animals. They move by crawling. Most snakes lay eggs, but some snakes give birth to their young. Snakes have forked tongues which they use to feel their way about. They also use their tongues to look for food. Snakes feed on birds, rats, and other small animals. Most snakes are not dangerous to people, but some of them are poisonous. Their bites can kill a person. These snakes include the cobras, mambas, and sea snakes. A poisonous snake has a pair of teeth called fangs in its upper jaw. When it bites a person, the poison comes out through these fangs and person become dead.